welcome to The Brown Feminist. In today's episode, I'm really excited to be showing you a glimpse of my kitchen area in my new apartment in the city of Montreal. One of the best parts about the city of Montreal is how affordable it is. The rent is a lot cheaper than many other cities in Canada. And that's why I was able to get a beautiful one-bedroom apartment in the bustling city. As you can see, my kitchen is equipped with a gas stove, which is quite the find in today's world. I really enjoy spending some time in here making myself some tea, cooking some yummy dishes, and in the process, keeping my food expenses low. There is also an abundance of storage in this kitchen. I love lining up my color-coded pink, white, and pastel cutleries and glassware and dishes and china in a really organized and neat fashion. I also have this entire cabinet dedicated to junk food. Sometimes I wish I could just lock it forever. Here you can take a look at my pantry where I keep all of my spices. I have quite the collection since I love to cook Indian, Bangladeshi foods as well as Italian, Chinese, and Mexican. If you want to see a video about how I used my label maker to make this space more organized, I'll link it right down here below. One more thing I did is to really make use of my storage space to keep everything in their own place. I try not to mix in my dry spices with my canned goods. Similarly, I have a separate shelf for all of my Tupperware, my baking goods, and my mixing bowls. The shelf right up here is where I put all of my kitchen appliances that I don't use on an everyday basis. I have things like a toaster and a rice cooker that I only use a couple of times a week. I love having a selection of olive oils that are also flavored and plain. It helps me choose the right one when I'm making a curry, a fried rice, or something else. I also have a separate stock of very Asian cooking materials and oils, including coconut oils, coconut milk, and sesame seed oil, as well as mustard oil. Cooking for yourself can be really therapeutic. It's a lot of fun when I try out new recipes. I also like to cook for others around me, including my friends, my family, and my boyfriend. The best part is that you get to live life more simply, eat healthy, and not waste too much money by eating out regularly. A very important part of adulting was to learn to live on a budget, to do things for myself like cooking and cleaning, home repairs and such, and just learning to enjoy my time with myself as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope that I was able to inspire some of the young feminists out there to want to live life on their own, find nice little changes that can make independence even more empowering.